Hi, this is James Leabeater with Summit Funding. We're going to go through your home loan documentation with you. We sent you a 4-page document that includes information about our lending team. We probably have over 40 years of lending experience here. Any one of us may be coming back to you at some point asking for documentation or clarification. Please feel to respond to any one of us. Also, it's important to note that the loan process generally takes 30 days. And when we lock your loan, we have 30 days to close the loan. And we want to respond in a timely fashion. Here's what goes on in those 30 days. You can kind of read through it on your own. It's just important to note to respond quickly whenever we ask you for documentation or clarifications or any signatures. It's important to get those back to us. There's some do's and don'ts in the process. Please read through the do's. Those are very important. Perhaps even more important are the don'ts. There are things that are really a problem for us. We don't want you to change your job profile at all or your employment situation. Certainly don't want you to alter your credit or have any significant deposits into your accounts that we can't explain. So if there's going to be any significant changes for you, please let us know about that in advance. Additionally, when you're making a purchase of a home and you say you're going to use funds from a certain account, we're counting on the funds coming from that account. So any changes in the down payment or closing cost accounts, we do need to know about in advance, so please consult with us. The full list of documentation is really important, and there's no shortcuts, so I just want to walk through those with you. If you're an employed borrower, you are going to need your most recent 2 years of tax returns, your 2 most recent years of W-2s, and your last 30 days worth of pay stubs. If you are a self-employed borrower, it's very different. We'll need your last 2 years of tax returns, your most recent 2 years. But we may also need your K-1s, your 1099s. If you own 25% or more of a corporation, we may need your last 2 years of 1120s. You can consult with us and tell us about your situation. We're happy to walk you through that. Okay, for all borrowers, we are going to need clean copies of your driver's license that we can easily read. Also, it's important to note that on your asset statements, we realize that you may have, a half a dozen different kinds of assets. If really your down payment and closing costs are only coming from 1 or 2 accounts, those are the only 2 accounts we probably need at this time. And we need the last 60 days worth of statements, so 2 statements from each account. And if it says page 1 of 10 or 1 of 20 on the statement, we need all 10 or 20 pages of that account. So full account statements, please. Keep in mind retirement accounts, we are using those from time to time for reserves or borrowing against them for a down payment. We only need the last quarter, the last 90 days is usually come out quarterly, just the last statement. Finally, if you own any properties now, it's important to include a copy of your home mortgage statement and your house insurance statement. How do you get all this information to us? You simply email it, which is the most popular way. You can Dropbox it or fax it. All faxes come to us as an email into our Outlook inbox. You can also drop it off, or we can pick it up if you get backed up. So we're happy to help. Let us know. We can also send you a private web portal, and you can just upload the documents from your computer right to us. Let us know how we can help you best get the documents to us. This is the initial list of documents. There's likely going to be more documents we'll need from you, certainly some signed forms additionally, so as we come back to you for more documents, please just try to respond in a timely fashion. Really appreciate your help. We're looking forward to working with you.